I think that looks good. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to day number 4 of the day trading team house. Yes, we're gonna put the food on the plate today. Time to get locked in. Time to get dialed. Trade smart. Trade to the best of your abilities. The scanners are good, so.
It's already watched this selected.
What happened?
Zap and what's this?
That's it for me.
If I sell right here, it might be.
Oh, wow, that's
That's
just
your
right.
Still gonna sell assets for like the big business.
Here it says need.
Good.
Yeah, it might be ready.
Mean.
That's like
Looking mean.
what do you want?
I mean, I definitely can see this going live. Not a big lot yet, so. Yeah. You are? When you see it.
I think it's gonna be hard to get. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing?
Is it just those two?
Watching 3 stocks.
I guess that's why he's another round trip.
Nah, random time.
KOSS, CAPP, and QLG.
Alright.
We post this screen. Alright, so don't get locked in. We're able to have a nice, good day here. We might be a little more on the aggressive side, to be honest. We want to get some pretty nice KOSS. We got one 14.20, 14.4.
It's not great.
Is that right? No. 16.18.
Yeah, tries. It works. It's a body.
The results of the pullback has been 13.32.
We're waking up is this momentum. The adrenaline.
18.73. Friday's high. Or rather, Wednesday's high.
Supposed to be 20.
That'll be the goal. We'll get a retest of 18.73 for KOSS. Looks decent. ZAPP, on the other hand, is at 437. Not like 479. Yeah, some of the guys trading free market here.
I read 1K.
No.
Not good.
No.
Plus 1K to minus 1K.
Low of 424.
Come market.
336 low.
Pastor does have a bit of a slight headache, but that will not phase us. 675. 675. Or CAPP potential.
Okay, this is a small size and then see if it actually.
That's what I'm gonna do.
1,500 maybe.
Yeah, I think it's gonna happen to $7.
I'm honestly thinking being aggressive early might work for KOSS.
Yeah, I'm still worried on that 35%.
Don't worry,
It's not like every freshman is, but.
everybody knows if the price action is good, I think it is.
I agree, that's the thing, right? If you take your size on that opening dip and it does curl and then grow, your day is made.
Day is made.
Your day is made. I don't blame you, RT, I'm scared though a little bit, I'm not sure.
Fear.
KOSS, into the bell, for me personally, probably looking for that first dip, spreads maybe tighten up a little bit, and then we want to see immediate resolution. If not, it's going to probably just keep dropping, potentially even fall down. It's only 35%, so 35% up for us, it's not exactly a lot, but then again, it makes more room for in the market open, right, for it to make that move. So,
37 cents.
you know, it's kind of like yesterday, we had a gap up 150%, not yesterday, but Wednesday. And then it kind of just faded at the bell. So we'll see today. I like KOSS to start, but I think ZAP price range can be good too. It really can. So I think we'll be okay today for, you know, kind of like a short week. At least we have something on the gap scan. So we'll see.
Alright, we're looking good. Share size QLGN. We're going to do about 9,500 to start. I'll double, triple my size if it looks good in areas. KOSS 1K to start. I'll double or triple my size if it's good. CAPP. Let's see. In fact, I'm going to do 800 KOSS to start. And then I think 1,500. I don't want to lose size today. I lose 1,600 for stop to start with this. There's the alarm for screen recording. Make sure your screen recording is turned on. XHG, what's this one? XHG, maybe worth looking up. I didn't check to see if all these stocks are tradable.
XHG.
Yeah, good call all that stuff. Shout out to that stuff once again, man. We appreciate it. You call outs every day. I'm gonna watch KOSS into the open. So right now I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna sit back. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna wait. And we'll see what we get here in a sec.
Guys, I think ZAPP is going to be the one. ZAPP looking good. If we can see some nice price action, looking for the early green. Gonna get aggressive early, gonna size down, and then take it easy from there. But we still have ZAP. We have ZAP, and we have get this thing there. We have, yeah, you know, I can bring it over. Let's do it. I have ZAP, and what's the other one? QLGN as well. The pastor take control of the stream. Looking good, looking good. We got 3 minutes, 50 seconds. 3 minutes, 50 seconds to the opening bell. So it's another day to be disciplined, of course. Another day to be patient. You know, let's look forward to the opportunities. I do want to put a little bit more risk out there. You know, for me, I'm not in the mindset of, hey, it's the beginning of the month, I have to build a cushion. I already have years of cushion, so it's just another day. And if it's good, I want to apply it myself, right? Nothing more, nothing less. And as we know, there's no need to be nervous. There's no need to be anxious. It's another day of us doing what we love to do. So, in fact, I'm looking to dominate. Pastor coming in for the quick and clean trades. ZAPP, KOSS, whichever one wants to bring it on. I'm ready. Ready to win. Looks like everyone is feeling good. So 2 minutes, 16 seconds. KOSS, I'm interested in the first dip here. We've been seeing a nice bottoming wick trend. We'll see if it does continue to hold. There's a 2 minute warning. I gotta take some Tylenol, but you know, it's not gonna stop me from doing well here. Bless you, brother. Minute 30 seconds. We got 38 seconds to be open. We don't need luck, brother. This good luck thing, I don't know if I like it for the market. We gotta rely on our discipline. Discipline will prevail. Zap definitely looking interesting here for sure. Oh, we get caught there in costs. Zap though. Zap seems like it's the one. Waiting patiently. Pre-market highs were at 79.
Pushing for 5.
Pause.
They're both moving. I think we're gonna have to just go by preference.
Nice.
Is up? I think we'll need to see a pullback here.
Yes. Pause.
We got some strength to start. I'm gonna switch back to KOSS. I think Zap might have sold off too much. Could be wrong, but we'll see. Waiting patiently here for KOSS for an entry. Can we get over 50? I'd like to see KOSS dip. Spreads are not bad so far. All couple cents spread. So we see something proper here on the pullback. There's 30, 40. It's having resistance here. Will it go? 50. It's trying. Waiting patiently. Looks like it's pushing up. I'll watch the dip. Not chasing it. Not chasing it. It might get locked in. And it looks like it is.
I did not. Oh my gosh, I did not.
Look like it'll get locked in here.
That's so tragic.
I honestly think it was hard to get in there unless you caught the initial red to green. It was kind of extended. Now we're halted up in the pre-market highs. Slightly red to start, slightly red. XHG not looking so good, and MICS not looking so good. What's the plan out of this? What's the plan out of this resumption? I'm thinking the dip and rip might work. Thinking the dip and rip might work, but I do want to be careful because we are a little extended. something in my eye. SIRI. Resumption time is going to be
ELGN's moving well.
at 40:32. QLGN, red green. 39:32. Did I do my math wrong? 39:30. Zay, I appreciate it. Looks like I did my math wrong. 39:32. False breakout QLGN. Getting ready for ZAP resumption. Or KOSS rather. We'll only look for two trades here, the dip and the follow through. Other than that, I'm going to ease off. Watch for potential pullback. We'll see how it goes. We're at 6:15, showing 17 resumption. 'Watching for another pullback, if possible. Not dipping, there's a bid. Strong. $50 seems to be resistance. I'm gonna ease off and wait here. 67. It's extended, so I don't want to be super aggressive. Taking that dip at 20. This is a great dip. Waiting, 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 and not quite the bounce. 1681. we see over 17. KOSS, perhaps back over 17, can try again. Oh, I'm gonna miss the break. Slacking. Check my 5-minute chart there. Kind of missed that push.
Yeah, next. New minute. It's gonna push. It's gonna push higher. Watch me. 50.
Sizing up a little bit as it's showing strength for new highs. Oh, I got filled on the ass. Cutting it. Why am I not making more with this size? What's going on? Must means that my fills are in the depths. So I gotta be careful. But we have a double bottom here. Let's see if it gets back over 17 eventually. I want to be in this type of area here. It's down again.
Wow.
Not good.
Oh, yeah.
Well, after all of that, 200 bucks. I did size up aggressively, but not connecting. That big move up was just too difficult to capture. Sadly.
After that,
Zap is trying again. What chart is this? Like, what the heck? Why is this on this? If that gets over VWAP, could be good. Probably should have held this position on Zap. Yeah, I knew I should have held that. Kind of botched it a little bit. QLGN. Zap is still interesting.
XHG pump. Added scope area. I'm still 130s here. 130s.
be rich if I took this test for first.
Go para, go para. God damn. So good. Got it. Now, just arrow, arrow. Arrow, 130. Arrow. Yes, sir, baby.
Oh shit, it's gonna go down.
One time.
Yeah. Pre-market high. Oh boy. This is so good.
Zap, I might give more type, but I really like that it's lingering. But I want to see the push over 37.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Right now, I'm down 90 bucks. I was green 700, I think, on KOSS. Gave back. But I sized up fairly aggressively, so scratch trades.
Alright, chasing.
Resumption of KOSS. $49.27. Zap is like interesting, man.
I guess that was nice. I don't really
It's
know.
interesting, but it's a little choppy here.
Yeah, I think this is China. It's okay, at least it's all.
Here we go, Zap.
1 minute on cost. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, that's just very good. The pre-market high over.
Come on, Zap. Talk to me nicely. 440 for Zap. Gotta keep going.
I'm thinking near 15 dips. Oh, it's showing 14. Never mind.
It's having resistance at 40.
So
Green boys. I guess it.
I was up 2K and I read. I'm gonna get back to me.
Can we get a dip?
long 50. Give me 15s. Yes.
Beautiful.
Oh, sketch.
What the fuck is that thing, bro? Alright, XAG boys. We moving. XAG the next one.
Oh, it's gonna go. Cost might go 15 years.
Fuck you.
Perhaps a little too choppy,
On cost.
especially in this type of area. Zap is the one I'm really looking at, but not curling, sadly.
Come on, give me 15.
I built a cushion with small size on KOSS, but again, the first move was so hard to get in on that it's a little tricky. Sized up,
Maybe. Yeah.
made more money, and then kind of went flat.
Got my issues. I'm scared, bro. Oh shit.
What's up?
Cost.
that's why it falls up with that.
False breakout QLGM. Can we hold up QLGN? QLGN here, it's 37.50. QLGN, another false breakout. It's still here, but not quite the move I would have wanted to see.
Long cost. So that's where
Just so choppy. It's more, this QLGN is more of like a grinder, so maybe a better entry is a dip and then give it a chance to go. The scalps are no good. Did I get a great fill there? 37. No, I did not. Scotch trade.
ABS.
QLGM, not in on the dip. KOSS. Let me check out the chart here. I mean, it's honestly a good bounce, but I like to see the 5-minute candle make a new high at 1660. Looks decent, especially if that happens 5 days, like right there. $15.60. Zap is still interesting as well if it gets over 440.
It's gonna skip, bro. That's probably gonna skip rates for here.
Yeah.
That's just the timing.
No, you do it Tuesday. Go, skip.
second thought here.
Come on, Dad, let's go.
Cover, cover, cover,
Go,
cover.
go, 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 50. Please. That time, boys.
Am I losing money here?
Starting to catch volume.
That's what I want to do.
You know. What? Great. No. Keep doing it.
It's almost like it's a grinder.
Skip time.
Terrible fills, man.
Also want to be on. Oh shit. Wow. This is like, yeah, 5 10 8 the whole still hard.
It's up, slowly climbing, slowly climbing.
Reading boys. It is straight up.
Bro, these stocks are moving in such a weird way, brother.
Oh, I have those.
It's just like this. It's kind of fucks up, man.
Oh, wait, I have those. Oh, I do. Yeah, time. Oh, fuck. Oh, wow, that 50 is strong, bro. What's that? Oh,
High of the current candle, 64.
Ain't good. Goes to 930.
Can the 1 minute candle make the new high?
Well, now it's better at 910. Maybe it's just sends it.
I think every what
Seems like it's struggling for the 1 minute candle to make a new high. Up to depths. $14.68 back to $16.50. It's a pretty impressive move. KOSS, potential halt up. Low 1604. Should have helped. I gotta start selling half here. It's gonna help me out. Damn fills, man. Alright, I know what I need to do better. Gotta snipe these entries and give them time. Put a stop. Taking the quick bounces, which is not worth it compared to the bigger move that we're seeing. So 1580, 1640, maybe we get 1670 here. If this 1 minute candle makes a new high, it keeps going. Spreads are massive here. Just gonna hold here and wait. I want to see.
Have you used that much though?
What?
Have you used that much?
Down 290 under that. I was using 1K shares, now under that.
Use that big size, bro.
For that, yeah, I mean, it's 450. It's like, I lost like 8 instances on it.
I might add back here.
But for my 300 to
Waiting.
my 90 cost, my 50 change, my 50, one more thing. It's really just that.
Damn, man, that was high. Freaking hell. Can't catch a break, brother.
Today is not easy.
ABS. Yeah, ABS for that target.
And yes, I was like, it wants my money.
Like 10. Yeah.
This could be early. Nope, that was perfect. Crap.
AXG.
Seems like it's having trouble.
ABS.
Yeah. It should have gotten over 16 already. Gave it every chance in the world. Red 370. After green 400.
That's actually crazy.
From market, we are in RT.
The move up on KOSS was good, man, but by the time I switched over to it, it was so extended. It went up like another $2.50.
There we go. Yep. 10 seconds did it.
AVE and yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Last breakout, 944. High 1042.
I'm just gonna wait for it. Oh, to go back up.
This guy go fucking 280.
Bro, what are my fills, man?
How you doing?
XHG is still going. I know it's honestly one we talking with.
I'm gonna do a full rotation here. Might be time to slow it down. Might be time to slow it down and relax for now. let's take a walk.
How are your boys doing?
And that's that.
I'm not blaming.
We got a little bit of red, a little bit of green. I need to go to sleep, man. Oh man, what a week. That's a good trade. KOSS, can we flush down some more? Come on, bottom, bottom, bottom. Man.
Is that a good lap or that?
XHG's moving a bit. XHG moving up. Come on, dip for me, dip for me. It's not dipping. I take it over 54.
Alt is 64 for
Not immediate. Can I see the dip?
Bro. Oh my god. Wow, this is fucking great. Awesome.
what? I can tell.
Oh, there's a seller. Oh, it's going.
Cost is maybe.
Uh,
Order rejected for 8K, I think.
Yeah, because I have big. It's like I can't sell them like
the halt up is at 73 or so. Taking a dip.
physical pain.
Let's see how well it holds up this area.
Oh, wait.
How's chat?
Green 380. Chat is looking all right. Small green.
We in the depths, bro.
60, XHG, 60.
Only for cost.
XGH might hold up here. I want to keep an eye on it. It's kind of lingering. Gonna wait. I was late right there. All right. QLGN. I still like XHG, but we'll see if it holds. Tried to buy 42. Took an eternity to get long right there. In 47 for the high fill.
I know, yeah, just tell them.
1352. It's a decent move.
Yeah.
KOSS not bad. 50-cent bounce.
I pressed sell over 13.
I agree. Wow. So nasty. That is wild. Yeah, this is
I was too impatient there, man. I was too impatient at 38. Great bounce.
That doesn't fuck me up. Oh, that's cross. Yeah, I don't know. Can't get back on.
I really want to see an early pullback here. If not, might be tricky to get in.
Georgian's D-list play. And it's gonna be list number one thing. After the great time.
51 fill. Lovely.
I was up 2K20 on that call view. I see it flash 1330. First selling at 1280, 1287. I'm like, yeah, I can't wait to get home. I'm gonna print like crazy at home, but it's not here. I saw Tesla look pretty good today. On the zero T player. The opener, I called in the chat. I said, bottom was after that whole down, I would be able to get like $2 off of that.
Looks like this one might be finished. Unless it wants to double bottom.
Threw me off so much.
Save, how we looking?
$4,000,
Small red?
no, $4,000.
4 grand. Oh, nice.
No, bro. It was a 5-50.
He's down for it.
Supposed to be a 5-50.
You're down 4 grand or you're up 4 grand?
Up, okay.
Up 4 grand.
I should be able to use that.
How you doing, Will? You look disgusted.
We are in the depths. Hopefully my 4 Tesla quiz will save my life. XHG.
It means we should stop trading.
XHG's moving. Moving wild. That's it.
Oh, yeah. I told you, there's something on it. New time. Maybe.
Let's wait for the dip. Wait for the dip. Can we see a dip? Can we see a dip?
Careful here. Under 55 is buy. Fine. Yeah, you made a question. It could go once every year. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The EGG is just skyrocketing as well. I don't know that I'm on. Oh, shit.
5 days at 166.
Yeah, I think it was 155, I think. What's that mean? Look, bitch.
Damn.
Back to my house. Nice. Oh shit. Good. Careful here, take a flush too. I agree.
Sub 14. All the way up to 50.
Where's the bounce?
Over 50? Oh my gosh.
And it takes 55.
Have you been in nasty for almost?
Yo, Spartan, man. Do not get yourself canceled, brother. What's wrong with you?
My baby.
Go back to the spot, bro.
Stay focused on the charts, brother. The level 2, not
We
nonsense.
need to stay focused, but this.
We must stay
Oh,
focused.
man.
What the fuck was that? Oh, shit.
That trade, right?
Got that.
This thing's going almost 2 grand.
Oh, I'm struggling. There's sellers. There's sellers.
How is that 14 bit?
Yeah, the other time,
Actually, she put the last on the board.
but I added, I think it was 1,000.
You guys made money on it?
On what?
The next XHG?
No, barely.
I think it's gonna break the 7.
I think G said
The range is kind of been tight up here.
Yeah, and then it just teleports down like that.
Oh,
Like,
watch cost. I think it has something to do, like 15 rate.
These stocks are moving so strange these days. There's 80.
Go, 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 go. Come on, explode, please. Cost, let's do it. Guys. Stay 100. Keep it tight.
You went out with
Your duties about.
nah. Nah.
98.
I would love to see a pullback here. If not over 93, I'd go long. There's a seller. I'd go long over that seller. It's the third time the charm. I wouldn't mind the pullback. It's holding mid 80s really well, but waiting. Waiting, waiting. Want to see a little bit more green on that tape.
Bro, that's the most insane two-break I've ever seen in my life.
I sold it.
No, that's it. Stop it. It's in fucking calls, I guess.
The dip is going to be pretty big because we haven't pulled back, so I want to be careful. Mid to low 70s.
How did I get 90?
84. Alright, easing off, brother, easing off. Easing off, brother. That.
The green?
Yeah, green 800.
That's good, guys. I got some money now.
Can pay for my expenses here.
Oh, wow, 80.
Already, you finished?
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright. I
70 for the dip. 70 for the dip. 72. I could have got the dip. Well, I'm not here. It's all good.
Dip more. I think it could dip more. It's a China stock. It doesn't bounce.
No, 72. We had a real resistance here. It might keep dipping, but at least for the panic flush, you know. KOSS got lucky, unfortunately.
Must be mighty looking.
Bad day. I'm in like up here twice. No, for the third time. So if I blow it this time, I'm really
How go cooking up a storm?
Or they just gonna keep it, so they can do it. Dang.
Not this time.
That's 72 dip, but. Nice.
Hot storm with early call-outs.
I'm almost afraid of big pain.
See if we can break that 80. Press it, please.
How are you gonna be looking at the other for t-shirts? AMDS, is that the rise? AMDS.
ANVS with the red to green. Nice.
On this one, we should see it, right?
Your life?
Oh, what?
For your life?
We're living.
Sweet is Benzo. Smart man.
Yeah. That's not bad on the ALVS. Oh shit.
AMDS is about to do it also.
Alt is 1118 or yeah 1118.
Can we get a dip?
I'm just gonna wait for the all out.
HAG, XAG is growing.
Paper hand.
Dip, more.
I'll take that. I'll take that. And very much kilo, yeah, garbage.
This one.
Dip one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Giving back as the dip is not bouncing.
Yeah, ready. What I need is some paper towel. Yeah, it's already off. Oh,
You can go back to the IH.
good. Breakthrough.
That 50 was pretty.
Yeah, there.
Dip came at 33. I'm long at like 55 and 65. I'm in too high.
Where's the skip? Yes, sir. Skip. Skip-a-doo. What are you doing?
I'm using small size.
I gave back fucking 800 now. Come on now.
Whoa. Need bigger on
Gave back $100. I think it's time to call it. It's time. When I go back home, I'm gonna get back to the call outs, everything, right? Massive headache today, just trying to get some gains and get out.
Real.
William, how you doing today, man?
We are red 400, but we're living.
Daniel, how you doing today?
Red 150, man. Get brutalized out here.
Small red though, small red.
All red, man.
Dominique, how's it going for you?
Green $10.
I feel like nowadays
Green $10.
this is a cheaper.
Ryan, how's the day treating you so far?
Down 2K, but ANVS might save me. We'll see.
At this rate, you gotta become squatters for that. The bills are not being paid.
What's up?
How's the day going for you?
5K, plus 5K.
I think the P&L, we gotta do a net P&L to see where we are on the week. Yeah, I'm running, I'm done. Calamity, how's the day treating you?
Not bad. I was green to red to green to red to green 1200 now. So
Green 1200.
they call it here.
Timmy,
Me and Calamity with the same. Oh, whoa! I'm holding it down, but I was up 2K 2 separate times and back to red. Now up 2K for the third time.
Tim up 2K.
Not bad.
Thanks, that was.
Bro, what the hell? Hi, friends. I'm up.
Yeah.
What the?
China stocks.
It's been one of those days again. Choppy week, but you know, the boys are managing. That's the main thing. That's the main thing.
Buy the lows, man. That's all it is. Buy the lows and
Abraham plus 1600. Abraham, you gotta bless us by joining the chat, brother. Share those sweet call outs.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna go make the eggs, man. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit that thumbs up. We do appreciate it.
I think ANVS has something.
Yeah, just gotta.
What's your rate? It's gonna go.
Also, shout out to Traders for a Cause.
Bro, just go.
Didn't sell her.
What's the wait here? Give me that analysis. Not looking good.
John, cool 2K, a cool 2K. Cool.
Back to 70.
A warm 2K from Stocks 824. Now we just need mild and we'll be good. We'll have it all.
50.
I was waiting on the invite. You know, the way to be, let me tell you guys how you can be here with us, right? Because a lot of people always ask this question. In order to be here, you have to kind of be like in our inner circle, if you want to say, right? And how can you do that? Well, you have to be a part of our community and you have to be an active member. Literally, that's all it takes, is being an active member in the community. Of course, we'll always fly out a random student with the sweepstakes, but you know, Brian, for example, didn't win the sweepstakes, but is very active in our community and reached out to us ahead of time. And boom, just like magic, he's here.
Yes, sir. BENF has followed up. Very low volume.
The winner, Dominique, happened to have a brother who also trades with him. And so we're like, you know what? Let's just bring both of them. So we invited the bro.
Is it live?
Yes, sir.
What's up, chat?
Is the account number blocked out, brother? I know you love to keep your stuff on screen.
There you go.
All right, nice.
Get back.
See, a lot of these guys don't stream, so they keep their numbers, like their account information open, which I don't usually do, of course.
Sir. But it's real money.
Real money.
Is there any question?
Where's my brother? Is that the question? He wasn't able to make it on the trip. He's big slacking. Yeah, this guy has to make some moves and join the team house, brother. What I don't know is why this thing is filming in this terrible HD, as if this is the 1940s or something. And you know, we're so busy, like I didn't even look into it. We're getting to a place where I'm gonna have to hire like a production team, which, you know, it's like more responsibility, more headache, but you know, it's kind of where we're going.
That's for the next one.
Yeah, we don't have, at this point we don't have a choice but to hire a full-on production team. Maybe I'll have to come to the team house a day in advance just to set up everything with them, round table style, full microphone, and you know, it's gonna be like a set. That's the next stage, because it's kind of getting a little, you know, I guess we're growing. It's a good thing. No more child's play. Oh yeah, man, we got a lot of well, let me not make that joke. Someone asked if we're drinking Coca-Cola. Yeah, the boys have been drinking Coca-Cola. Marco, how's the gym, brother?
Fantastic. We're gonna start the day.
All right. As you guys can see, we have a lot of cleaning up to do. Last night was a late night, 4th of July. Crispy left out. I think Crispy maybe green 3K and decided to call it early.
Mark man. XSG is back for you all.
So minimize the red ones.
Minimize the damage. Small red.
Bro, tap. Watch tap. There's something on this.
This is what Marcelo looks like behind the scenes when he's trading. If these guys can do it, man, if these guys can do it, it must mean that other people can do it too. It's hard, but it's not impossible. Let's see what his hotkeys are looking like. Crazy hand setup right there. Tim has a foot pedal. Do you have it down here?
Oh yeah, foot pedals down here.
Tim has a foot pedal to help him hold control on the.
So I hold down the foot pedal for control, and then it's just S and B for buy and sell market. So pretty simple.
So for those of you at home, right, when it comes down to like having an edge, an extra advantage, these are the steps that the guys are taking. And for me, I think something I'm gonna do is to get an external keyboard like this, because my keyboard on the laptop is just too small, and I find myself clicking the wrong buttons. It's just not big enough. So you got to do what you got to do to get that extra advantage, even if it's a foot pedal like you're playing piano or the drums.
I think I should have locked in more. Basically, I got up 600 on this move, and then I completely.
I gotta take my money and run, boys. Take my money and run.
What I want to know is how you guys decide to say enough is enough for the day and then walk away.
Well, after going up 2K to red, to up 2K to red, to up 2K, 2.6, now at 2K after fees, probably 1900. You know, if I go red this time, I just know myself. You know, I'm pissed. Like, you know, so if I just gotta stop now, I think we'll be good.
I think the boys have actually helped out Tim a little bit when it comes to managing frustration because there haven't been any banging on the desks here, at least not yet.
No, I can't do that to the boys. Can't shake their screens mid.
Is that what we want here?
Marcelo, brother, this is backside, brother. What are you doing? This is clear backside here.
He's trading KOSS.
Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, you know, with the type of work we do, it's so hard sometimes because the reality is that we could stay and make more, right? I mean, but the other side of that is we could stay and we can lose, right? I guess ultimately it comes down to knowing yourself, knowing where you are mentally, and being comfortable with wherever you are, right? Whether that's red and knowing, hey, I don't mind going, you know, the distance and seeing if I can keep pushing it. Or if you're green and you're deciding, hey, I'm gonna walk away, right? Or green and deciding, I'm gonna add more to the green. You know, it's this type of thing where you gotta ease and press and you have to use your best discretion. Plato ended red. 170. All right, guys, I'm gonna shut down the live stream. I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna go fry some eggs. I mean, unless you guys want to watch me fry eggs. I mean, I know you're here for me to trade. You guys are here to watch trading, so I don't think you guys want to see us make breakfast. And you know, this place get loud and all that. So I think now is the time. ANVS. My HD is so bad that I don't even think the screen will show anything here. Let's see. Yeah, this is awful quality. ANVS. Jeffrey wants to see everything. Jeffrey wants to see the 24-hour stream of us even sleeping at night. Can you guys believe that's a thing right now? We got the Discord, and I have a million DMs to respond to, which I will the moment I get back. We're on a bit of a down week. Few down days. You got Momo Pro. You got the high-low ticks on E-Trade, as well as the daily chart on E-Trade. Momo Pro holding it down with the halt levels as well. The halt up ANVS is at 1188, now at 12. Halt up is at 12. Halt up is at 12. Not bad. Let me end this recording, by the way, because I am done so. The only way I come back here is if BMR and HOLO February level momentum hits. But all right, live stream. That's gonna do it. Let's take a walk. For all the traders who are out there, who are struggling traders, who are red traders, we got to continue to hold our heads high. We got to keep pushing forward, guys. one day at a time, one trade at a time. We know that day trading is not easy. It never was easy. It never will be easy. But we know that it's possible. And, ultimately, as entrepreneurs, that's all we really need to know is that there's a chance, right? So let's continue to do our due diligence. Let's continue to study. I had to call myself out here on this trip. I was telling the guys that I'm not reviewing my archives in as much detail as I need to. At the end of the day, trading comes first, and I gotta make sure that my schedule is reflective of that. At the end of the night, when I come in, I gotta make sure that I put at least 1 hour into reviewing my archives. And what's so crazy, what's so funny, what's so coincidental or ironic, however you want to say it, is that the more I study my archives, the better I seem to do. So why am I slacking off on studying my archives, right? So we got to call ourselves out. What are we doing that we're not supposed to be doing, right? We got to make sure that we have that control and we're putting in that time. So let's stay focused out there, man. As Ninja Ape is tuning in, we got to stay focused and we got to keep pushing in order to be our best selves. So, and actually, we didn't even use the theater room yet, which is kind of crazy. So, the pastor has to do a better job of reviewing his archives. That way, he can see some better and bigger green days. Man, holding this phone is a workout. Honestly, I could grab my laptop now and probably try to hook it up, see. But we haven't even used this thing yet. We've mostly used the pool to hang out. Ay, ay, ay. Dive in the pool. Man, you can't pay me enough to do that. What the heck? Ah, man. It's easy to stop studying after years in the business, but it has to be done. Indeed. Triad, man. Triad, brother. Triad had a family vacation that was planned ahead of time, so he wasn't able to make it. But shout out to Triad. Shout out to Big Steve. Shout out to Dash. Shout out to Enzo. Shout out to the entire community. The longtime OGs, the newer members, and the rest of you guys. Relentless Trader is signing out. Catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay green. It's been a pleasure as always. The pastor.